AIIS was founded in March 2023, and according to recent news, it is expected to go public and receive its IPO next year, 2026. It is growing very quickly, and there is a lot that AIIS has to offer. I learned from observation that the best time to invest in a company is before that company goes public and receives its IPO. The best analogy to use is Amazon. Jeff Bezos and his now ex-wife, Mackenzie Scott, founded Amazon back in 1994, and it started off as an online bookstore. At the time, most people thought an online bookstore was a terrible idea, but the company started making money and it went public in 1997. According to analysts, if you invested $5,000 in Amazon before the IPO, you would have been a millionaire years ago. Okay, that is the power of timing and compound interest. Now that we are at the beginning of the AI revolution, we need to take advantage of these opportunities before they are gone. So, what do you get when you join AIIS? Well, number one, you get intelligent hosting. AI robots automatically generate income every day. Next, you have multiple streams of income. You get a bonus when you register to the platform. You get bonuses every day when you sign in. You make money when you rent a robot. And you make a commission when you create your own team. The third benefit is security. Blockchain technology ensures transparency and traceability of your income. So you deposit crypto money into AIIS, you get paid by AIIS in crypto. So you need a crypto wallet to receive your pay, and then you can transfer funds from your wallet to your bank account, which leads to the next benefit, speed. Getting compensated with cryptocurrency is much faster than getting paid in dollars. Let me give you a comparison. True story. The longest job I have had was one of my government jobs. I took the civil service exam for the job title. I paid a $68 fee to take the exam. It was non-refundable. The passing grade was a 70%. I scored an 85%. I was on the waiting list for 3 years. 3 years. Then I went into the job interview, got hired, and I waited 3 weeks to get my first paycheck. And it was direct deposit, not paper check. So, AIIS allows you to withdraw money once you accumulate $100, and you get paid in crypto in less than an hour. AIIS lets you rent a robot for a specific period of time, and once the robot finishes its job, the platform gives you back your investment plus profits. That's why every time I am in the group chat, I see someone who shares why they are so happy with the company. It kind of reminds me of one of my favorite songs by 50 Cent, I Get Money. He says, when I was young, I couldn't do good. Now I can't do bad. We got members who don't go broke. We have members currently making $50 to $300 per day. We have members making $1,300 from renting robots. We also have members making $50,000 per month, which includes commission for building teams. So, who is AIIS for? Well, to me, the company is for everyone. It is for office workers looking for additional income. It is for entrepreneurs who are looking for free time. It is for financial professionals interested in investing in AI. It is for unemployed people who are looking for a passive income. If you have a job, you can make money with AIIS during your lunch hour. It is for young people and for senior citizens. It is really all up to you. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time with another video. Subscribe to this channel for future notifications. Click the like button to share this content with other AI investors. Take care.